Nilinaw na mismo ni Pacquiao na hindi pa tapos ang kanyang karera sa boxing. Ang mga atleta sa edad na 46 ay retirado na at parelax-relax na lang, lalo na sa combat sports kung saan pwede kang mapahamak. Pero ang isang alamat, hindi sumusunod sa oras. Sila mismo ang gumagawa ng sarili nilang landas. Matapos ang bakbakan kontra kay Barrios, ito siya, gusto muling bumalik. Hindi para mag-tune up, kundi para sa mga big fights. Rematch kay Barrios, sagupaan kay Tank Davis, ang muling pagtutuos kay Floyd Mayweather, o rambulan kay Rolly Romero, paghiganti, legasiya, pera, karangalan. Pero lahat ng tapatang yan ay may isang tanong, may ipapakita pa bang himala si Manny Pacquiao o mapapahamak lang lalo na sa mga knockout puncher ng laro?
Sa kabila ng kontrobersiya sa naging resulta ng kanyang laban kontra kay Mario Barrios kamakailan, sinabi ni Manny Pacquiao na muli siyang babalik sa boxing ring at ang kanyang susunod na laban ay mangyayari within this year.
Isang 1-2 combination muna sa like and subscribe button.
May mga requirement o kondisyones si Manny Pacquiao para sa kanyang susunod na makakalaban. Ang number 1 na kondisyon niya ay hanggat maaari meron kang titulong hinahawakan.
Nagbigay ng senyales na talagang magbabalik pa siya at kampanteng kaya pa maging world champion.
Don't worry, Pacman is back, so I'm still here.
You feel that you have what it takes to be a world champion once again?
Yeah, I think so. Like, I can still do it.
Maraming pagpipilian si Manny Pacquiao sa muling pagsalang.
Ang daming mga pangalan na nagsulputan bilang kandidato as the next opponent of Manny Pacquiao. Ito yung tinatawag nating Manny Pacquiao sweepstakes. Lahat ay gustong makadaupang kamo si Manny Pacquiao sapagkat ang laki ng kanilang kikitain pag si Pacman ang kanilang katunggali.
What do you think happens with Manny Pacquiao next? Should he fight again?
I think he should. I think he should.
Ultimo ang WBC chairman Mauricio Sulaiman at ilang boxing personalities ay suportado si Manny sa mga susunod na hakbang.
Whatever he wants to do.
Yeah.
Whatever he wants to do.
You're supporting?
We will support him.
Thank you, Mario.
I don't make decisions for people on what they should do. That's up to Manny Pacquiao. He deserves what he wants to do on his time frame.
Ngunit may babala si Eddie Hearn. Paano na lang daw kaya kung mas delikadong kalaban ang haharapin niya? Abay, pwede raw madisgrasya.
With all due respect, like, imagine what Brian Norman even would do to Pacquiao, or Boots would do to Pacquiao.
Ano naman kaya ang pahayag ng former world champion at sparmate ni Manny hinggil dito?
Manny fight younger guys still. Like, should he fight a Tank? Should he fight a Rolly? Or should he rematch Floyd?
I'm feeling like the world, because it's Manny Pacquiao, it makes sense for it to be Floyd Mayweather, but...
Sa sirkulo naman ni Pacquiao, sambit ni Sean Gibbons na si Manny na lang ang natitirang greatest fighter sa kanyang henerasyon.
Manny is the last of the great fighters with the entourages and people want to follow. Nobody shows up. 200 people show up for a guy who's running.
I think I want to see him fight again.
Yeah.
I think he has a lot still a lot to prove.
Yeah.
Pero ingat lang dahil isang maling galaw lang pwedeng mapahamak kahit sinong alamat.
Pacquiao will have to pick his spots. Hindi pwedeng yung Barrios, nagkataon lamang, sinabi po natin, he is the weakest among the welterweight champions. So kinakailangan piliin ni Manny Pacquiao ang kanyang susunod na kakalabanin.
Unahin natin ang potensyal na rematch against Mario Barrios.
Are you willing to give Manny Pacquiao a rematch?
Absolutely. That's what he wants. We still had, I think this was still a phenomenal night.
Sambit mismo ng kampiyon, kahit tumanda na ang katunggali, ay nandun pa rin ang knockout power.
He still has a lot of crack, for his age. He was very explosive, he was very tricky.
Malakas pa rin at delikado. Dagdag pa niya.
He's strong as fuck. There's some punches in there, you don't want to be getting hit by.
Sabi ni Pacquiao ay satisfied naman siya sa naging performance niya, pero may kulang pa rin.
I'm so happy with my performance for 2 months training and no fight for 4 years. In a fight like that, I want 3 months or 4 months training. I should throw a lot of punches.
May ilang eksperto rin ang nagsabi na hindi nila inaasahang ganun pa rin ang talbog at galaw ng isang legend.
He looked so much better than I thought he was, and I was basing a lot of my opinion on his age and the 2 exhibition fights that he fought where he looked slow, fleshy.
Pacquiao, again, Hopkins at 46 wasn't bouncing around like he was taking steps and being a defensive wizard. This dude was bouncing around. I couldn't believe it. At round 4 and 5, I go, okay, here's father time. He's becoming more of a stationary target. And then that man, in the 6th round, he found something and it was so moving.
Dahil nga bigo sa politika, mukhang magfu-full-time na si Pacquiao sa boxing.
Forget about politics. He is back in boxing full-time. He said he blamed some of his performance on the fact that he wasn't committed to training full-time.
Pangalawang potensyal na makakalaban ay ang WBA regular champion ngayon na si Rolly Romero.
Another opponent who has been mentioned, pasok na pasok sa qualifications, sa requirements ni Manny Pacquiao. Ang aking pong binabanggit ay ang WBA regular champion sa welterweight division na si Rolly Romero.
Kahit nga si Sean Gibbons ay pabor dito sapagkat may pagka-trash talker din itong si Rolly na mabenta sa masa.
Rolly fight them? Rolly?
I love Rolly. I love Rolly. It's a great promotion. I think it's a tremendous fight. The guy just came off a huge win over Ryan Garcia.
Alam niyo naman ang nangyari nung huling trash talker na kalaban ni Pacquiao. Bagsak sa unang round. Speaking of exciting fight, ilang legendary trainers na mismo nagsabi na magandang tapatan ito.
Do you think style-wise, it's a better fight than the Barrios fight?
I think it'll be a more exciting fight.
Rolly is the next champ, I think, a WBA champ, right?
He is the champion.
So that's a good fight too.
Yeah,
big fight?
Yeah, that is a big fight. That is big in Vegas.
Dagdag pa ni Abel Sanchez na kayang talunin ng 46 years old ang mas batang kampiyon.
This version of Manny, you think beats Rolly?
Yeah, I think he decisions him. I think he outboxes him. I think that he's more experienced. I think that he confuses him.
Agree din si Attorney Ed Tolentino na magbibigay si Rolly Romero ng magandang laban. Medyo weird at parang robot gumalaw, kaya malaki ang tsansang pupuntusan lang ni Pacquiao.
Ang tingin ko dito mga kaibigan, si Romero ang pinaka-ideal na opponent for a 46-year-old Manny Pacquiao.
May knockout power din itong si Rolly na pwedeng magpabagsak sa tumatandang Pinoy.
But, win or lose, Rolly Romero is always in an exciting fight. May knockout power po kasi yung mamay.
At syempre, gustong-gusto rin niyang idagdag si Pacman sa kanyang resume bilang isa sa mga tatalunin niya kuno.
What happened to that fight, Rolly? I want a Hall of Fame on my resume.
Total nabanggit ang knockout power. Ang pinakaunang lilitaw sa ating isipan ay si Tank Davis.
Ang unang binanggit na pangalan ay Gervonta Tank Davis. Pero delikadong laban yan para kay Manny Pacquiao.
Si Thurman na mismo ang nagsabi na kung sakaling at tangkain ito ni Pacquiao, abay masasaktan lang daw siya.
With that kind of performance for Manny, or should he stay away from a young guy like Gervonta? What do you think? Because they name-dropped him. They name-dropped Gervonta.
Oh yeah, no, he could get hurt.
Ang undercard ni Pacquiao na dating tumalo kay Mark Magsayo na si Brandon Figueroa ay bilib pa rin kay Manny. Aniya, sobrang blessed na mapasama sa event na tinuturing niyang history.
Where does he go from there? Because he was name-dropping guys like Gervonta Davis ahead of this fight. Gervonta's a young puncher, man.
I mean, great fights. I mean, you saw tonight what he did with a young champion. I mean, you can just imagine what he can do with the rest. So.
Ang dating tinalo ni Tank Davis na si Leo Santa Cruz ay natanong rin.
Oh, Pacquiao's gonna be, Gervonta Davis is gonna be going up in weight, so I think that might affect him. So, and if you don't have the same power with that weight, I think Manny Pacquiao is going to be fight.
Ang dating world champion na si Fernando Vargas ay hanga sa pinakita ng 46 years old legend. Tingin niya, magandang laban yan against Tank Davis.
Pacquiao's team was interested in Gervonta prior to this fight. Should Manny stay away from Gervonta Davis or?
No, he did great.
You still like Pacquiao Gervonta? Yeah.
Kaso, may mga kaso pang kinakaharap itong undefeated superstar. At ang dating kadikit ni Tank Davis na si Floyd Mayweather ay nasa front seat rin sa usapang Pacquiao next fight.
Marami pa rin ang interesado, lalo na kung handa si Floyd Mayweather na itaya ang kanyang unbeaten record.
Si Pacquiao mismo ang interesado dahil nga big fight to. Kayang tapatan ang Crawford versus Canelo.
Pacquiao Mayweather 2, hindi mo kailangan ng world title para sa labang ito. Because yung pangalan lamang ng dalawang boksingero, pag iyong pinagdikit sa iisang sentence, will command attention.
Nang hinayang nga rin si Robert Garcia kung bakit ginawang draw kahit lamang si Pacquiao sa mata ng marami. Dahil kung naging world champion ulit si Manny, mas magiging mabenta ang Pacquiao-Mayweather rematch.
They know that if Pacquiao wins, huge fight if he does.
Him and Mayweather.
And if that fight was close enough, even if Manny would have maybe been losing by a little bit, give it to Manny. Give it to Manny.
Mayweather rematch would be a big business fight. That because they're familiar names and people like names.
Kahit nga ang ilang boxer ay tingin nila, interesanting matchup pa rin yan.
Bro, Pacquiao's a legend, bro. If Pacquiao and Mayweather fight, I mean, everybody's gonna be there. It's gonna be sold out. You know what I'm saying?
Nabitin rin daw kasi si Manny dahil sobrang boring at panayakap ang ginawa ni Mayweather. Kita nyo naman sa footage. May injury din daw na iniinda kaya hindi na ilabas ni Manny ang todo niyang lakas. May mga pagkakataon rin kasing nasakta ni Pacman si Mayweather at hindi gaanong nakapitalize. Sadyang magaling at magulang lang din talaga kapag usapang depensa at pag-ilag. Pero ganun pa man, big fight pa rin to at pareho silang kikita ng limpak-limpak.
Mayweather Pacquiao as an official fight. It's a rematch. Would that still be big? Would that still make money? It'll always make money. The two big names, you know, they'll always make money.
Wala nang kailangang patunayan si Manny Pacquiao. Nakasulat na ang kanyang pangalan sa kasaysayan, 8th Division World Champion, mandirigmang Pilipino, buhay na alamat. Pero minsan, ang alamat ay may huling kwento pang gustong isulat. Kung si Barrios man ulit, si Tank Davis, si Mayweather o si Rolly Romero, ang susunod na hakbang ni Pacquiao ay hindi lang basta laban. Maaaring ito na ang magtatakda kung paano siya maaalala. Dahil hindi na ligasiya ang pinaglaban niya, kundi panibagong kasaysayan sa huling kabanata.